Please work. Can you please work? Then this is the one that was working and stopped working. God. This is 3:44 in the morning, early morning. You see that video you watched at the beginning? Yeah, that was me in the night trying to make the video. But then my mic stopped working.
Sorry. Don't cry.
Unfortunately, I didn't know it was low. So I had to charge it, and then I had to do my coursework. Of course, I had assignments. So after I got a solid point in my assignment, that was when I decided to like shoot this video.
You go explain because no evidence.
Today it's gonna be an AliExpress haul. I love AliExpress. When people see me, I tell them, whenever you see me wear something, just know that you can find AliExpress on me. Like I called myself AliExpress ambassador. Of course I'm an AliExpress ambassador, but unofficial of course. But by the end of this video, you know why I call myself AliExpress ambassador, because I do not fail to talk about them all the time. So as I unbox, of course I have cut off the seals from these AliExpress packages because of time. And just a little backstory here, I've ordered in Nigeria and in Uganda from AliExpress, but Rwanda is landlocked, and you know most of the packages that we get from Nigeria and Rwanda is either air or it's either like sea, and you know landlocked, there's really no water here. So I was a little bit bewildered, yeah, I would say that. Not a little bit, I was really confused. So I just ordered like mini items, but now that I know that they ship to Rwanda, I'm going to order bulky items very soon. But I mostly order during holidays. That's like after a term, after a semester, after I've saved money. I'm Mr. Them, please, I'm not working. So yeah, all right, let's get straight into the video. I found out about AliExpress when I was back home in Nigeria, and it was my older sister actually that introduced me to it, and since then even I have become an ambassador that she is. This is like, I think it's called a nano tape. You put it on your wall and you can easily use it to glue things, right? The next item, these are like earrings. I really love jewelries. You know me, you know I love jewelries. So this is this. Then I bought this black one too. I hope you can see it. This is the black. Yeah, this is the black of this one, so you can see. I love ties. I love ties so much. So this is tie. I got the brown. By the way, everything you see is AliExpress. This AliExpress, this AliExpress, the jewelry AliExpress. I don't know if you can see this infinity necklace here, but it's also AliExpress. So yeah, I now you know that I deserve the title. This is like a decoration. So I got myself a red tie also. You can see that, right? And this is a lip gloss. This is lip gloss. Let me show you the one that finished. So it's like this. I ordered this when I was in Nigeria, and then I really love it. Like, it's so nice, and it leaves this glossy and shiny. It has like glitters inside of it, so I really love it, and that is why I ordered for 2 more. For these, like I told you, I did mini all because I didn't know they were going to ship it, so I actually like took a risk. So yeah, these are false shirts. It's very short. It's up to this place, and then it has like collar. You can see the packaging.
Monica Pell isn't playing with her packaging because
All right, you may not get the joke, but yeah, that's it. So this is like a bra top. So I love bra tops so much. So this is a bra top. I don't know how to show the real beauty of it, but it's really like really nice. This is a cross necklace, and funny enough, I had like a cross necklace before, and I was looking for it to wear, but I did not find it, so I had to order for another one. And the funny thing was,
Sorry for the laugh.
after I placed order for this, that was when I found like the original one. Can you see how pretty it is? Oh my god, it's so good. I have an afro hair. I also got it from AliExpress. One thing I failed to mention was that this microphone is also from AliExpress. This is the pack right here, but of course I ordered this from Nigeria. Also, what I used to pack my hair, like these scrunchies, I bought like a pack. It had like a dozen scrunchies inside. I have like several colors. Oh yeah, I got like butterflies for my afro hair, which are just red earrings, very cutesy.
Very cutesy, very
So I ordered this necklace back in Nigeria, but that was the one for Nigeria, as you can see here. But this one now I ordered this time to represent Rwanda, because Rwanda has been my home for the past 2 years maybe. Oh my god, guys, I'm a big fan of anime. So I watched Jujutsu Kaisen. That was a long time ago though, and it's really beautiful. So I intentionally went to AliExpress to look for something cheap that I can buy that represents Jujutsu Kaisen, and I found this necklace, yo. Like, can you see that? If you're an anime lover and you've watched Jujutsu Kaisen, you definitely know these anime characters. This is Gojo. Yeah, this is Gojo right here. Gojo is the white haired blue eyes guy. It's my favorite character. Yeah, this is a bow, guys. You can see it's a clip bow, and it's really cutesy. I love it. Like, it's killing well. So I ordered the black. You see this one I'm wearing color red. I decided to buy in black. You can see it's actually like a beach kind of wear. I got these leather berets, right? I got in coffee brown. It's actually 2 coffee browns, then 1 black. I have a black, right? So I wore it, and then I took a picture of it, and one of my colleagues in school liked it. So he told me to place order for him. Alright, that's all the packages, and this is the best. So I'm going to be showing you as I'm unveiling what is inside. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ta-da! Alright, so can you guess what's inside? Can you guess if you've seen 40?
Even though you got a
Guess. You did not get it. But it's shoe. Yeah, it's shoe. I've always wanted to order kitten shoes. I wanted to get when I was living in Nigeria, but I was in the East, and the person I was going to deliver could not deliver within 3 days. Within 2 days, so I had to let it go.
Let it go.
And then when I found it on AliExpress, it was really affordable. So yeah, I even love how each pair of the shoe was packaged well. Time for the unveiling. Right, so this is it right here. See, this is a bow, and then it has a sling back, and then the back actually like has an elastic band here. So it's size 40, and it's exactly my size, but in case my leg is long, it can always like stretch, and it will always size me. So let my younger sister not think she can come out with this one. I'm gonna give you this one. Yeah, alright, so I got this also from AliExpress. Very cute. Even the tripod I'm using, AliExpress. So I'm gonna put like pictures of things that I've previously bought. So just like few pictures that I'm gonna put here. But if you want me to do another unboxing video of the things I got from AliExpress when I was in Nigeria and when I was in Uganda, please say so in the comments. And also, I still have more packages coming in, so as they come in, I'm going to do unboxing videos whether you asked or not. I'm still going to do a get to know me video, and I know you people want me to like do travel vlogs. Well, if you pay for my flight, I don't mind. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and do well to like the video, share the video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.